Hello and welcome to English by Ears. Here at English by Ears, we'll help you train your ears and unlock the secrets of natural English. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started.
This story is about Angela. She's telling us about her studying abroad experience. Listen carefully.
The world was a vast canvas, and I yearned to paint my own adventure on it. The idea of studying abroad had been simmering in my mind for years, a dream fueled by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to experience different cultures. The day I decided to turn this dream into a reality, my heart pounded with a mix of excitement and anticipation. Choosing a destination was a daunting task. I wanted a country that would challenge me academically, immerse me in a new language, and offer a rich cultural experience. After much deliberation, I settled on France. Its reputation for world-class education, beautiful cities, and delicious cuisine made it the perfect fit. The application process was a whirlwind of paperwork and deadlines. I spent countless hours researching universities, filling out forms, and translating my documents. There were moments when I felt overwhelmed, but the thought of the incredible opportunities that awaited me kept me motivated. One of the most crucial steps was securing a student visa. The process was rigorous, requiring me to submit a plethora of documents, including proof of financial support, acceptance letters, and health insurance. I spent weeks gathering the necessary paperwork and ensuring that everything was in order. The day I received my visa approval was a momentous occasion. It felt like a tangible step towards my dream. I began making plans for my departure, booking flights and arranging accommodation. The excitement was building with each passing day. As my departure date approached, I experienced a mix of emotions. I was both thrilled and apprehensive about leaving the comfort of my home and embarking on a new adventure. I knew that it would be challenging, but I was determined to make the most of it. The day of my departure finally arrived. As I boarded the plane, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. I was about to embark on a journey that would shape the rest of my life. The first few weeks in France were a whirlwind of new experiences. I struggled to adapt to the language, the culture, and the fast-paced lifestyle. But with each passing day, I grew more confident and comfortable in my new surroundings. I made friends from all over the world, sharing laughter, tears, and academic challenges together. We explored the city, visited museums, and discovered hidden gems. The experiences were unforgettable. My academic journey was equally rewarding. The professors were passionate and knowledgeable, and the curriculum was challenging yet stimulating. I pushed myself to my limits, both academically and personally. Studying abroad was one of the best decisions I have ever made. It was a transformative experience that opened my eyes to new cultures, challenged me to grow, and enriched my life in countless ways.
Now, let's learn some new vocabulary. Deliberation, which means careful and serious thought before making a decision. Immerse, which means to completely involve oneself in something. Rigorous, which means strict, thorough, and demanding. Momentous, which means very important and significant. Apprehensive, which means feeling anxious or worried about something that might happen. Stimulating, which means exciting and interesting. Invaluable, which means extremely useful and important.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more stories.